Assalamu alaikum and good morning all. I am Sajna ma'am. Today I am going to take you class. Are you all ready? I am ready. Are you all ready? Yes. I know last week Fatima ma'am was taking class for you. Am I right? Yes. What was it about? Can you tell me what was it about? Yes, family. She was explaining so beautifully what is a family. Am I right? And she had introduced 4 members in a family. Can you please tell me who are they? Can you please tell me? Yes. Father. Yes, father. Father is the head of the family. Then she was introducing another lady. Who was it? Yeah, mother. Right. We all love our mama, no? You all just by seeing this video, what you want to do is just hug your mother and give a kiss for her. All of you, please give a hug for your mother. Okay. Now she was introducing 2 other person. Who was that? Who were they? There was a boy. That boy was the son of that mother and father. Right? Yes. Then after that she also introduced one girl child. Who was that? Yes, you are correct. That is the daughter of that father and mother. Now I am going to show you another family. Are you all ready? Okay. Please listen here. This is another family. Can you identify the members of this family? Yes. Who is this? Right. Father. Can you say who will be this? Yes. Mother. And who is this? Correct. The son of this father and mother. And who is this? Correct. The daughter of this father and mother. Okay. Fatima ma'am was saying these 2 father and mother are the parents of these 2 kids. Fatima ma'am was saying father and mother are the parents of these 2 kids. And these 2 kids are the children of this father and mother. Am I correct? You got the point? Yes. Now listen one more time to this picture. I will say you one more thing. Please listen. Look, here is the son. Here is the daughter. You know, here is the son and here is the daughter. You know, this son and daughter, what we call, they will be saying, you will be having your father and mother will be having son. They will be having one daughter. But what we will call them? You know that? Listen here. This boy will call this girl sister. What is it? Sister. And this girl will call this boy brother. Okay? This boy is the brother of this girl and this girl is the sister of this boy. You got the point? Okay, now we can recall the rhyme which Fatima ma'am had sung in the last class. Ready? Okay. Okay, listen to me carefully. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush on every day. Father, mother, son and daughter, brush them every day. I think you all know this rhyme and you have learned this rhyme. Right? Okay, I have some more pictures with me. Okay, you have to listen to it and identify the pictures. Okay, can you say who is this? Yes, this is the picture of a father. This is the picture of a father. Father. Here there is one beautiful lady is there. This is the picture of a mother. This is the picture of a mother. Here there is a boy. This is the son of that father and mother. This is the son of that father and mother. Here is one more picture. Look here. This is a girl child. This is the daughter of that father and mother. This is the daughter of that father and mother. Look here, I will show you these two pictures together. Now you have to say, who is this boy to this girl? Who is this boy to this girl? Correct, brother. Very good. Who is this girl to this boy? Who is this girl to this boy? Correct, very good. She is the sister. Who is she? Sister. Now I understood you have learned some of the members of a family. Can we say once again those words? Yes, father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter. Today you know one thing. I'm going to show you two more pictures. Are you all ready? I know you all will be loving these two people very much. I know that because I love these people very much. I will show you. Tan, ta, dan. Can you say who is this? Somewhat old. I know you all may be having, many of you may be having such people in your home whom we love very much. Because they used to play with us, they used to say story for us, they used to buy something for us, and they love us very much. You know who is that? Grandfather. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ഗ്രാൻഡ്ഫാദർ വീട്ടിൽ ഉള്ളവരും ഉണ്ടാവും ഇല്ലാത്തവരും ഉണ്ടാവും. പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് നമ്മളുടെ വല്ലുപ്പാനും വല്ലുമ്മാനും ഒക്കെ ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമല്ലേ? ഇഷ്ടമാണോ? ഇഷ്ടമാണെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് മാമിനൊന്ന് ഹായ് കാണിച്ചേ, ഒന്ന് കൈ കൊണ്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ കാണിച്ചേ. വെരി ഗുഡ്. എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി കേട്ടോ. യു ഓൾ ലവ് യുവർ ഗ്രാൻഡ്ഫാദർ വെരി മച്ച്. We have to love our grandfather very much. We have to respect them. Right. Now I am going to show you another picture. Please listen. Tell me, who is this? Yeah, this is the picture of one of the grandmother, not our grandmother. This is the picture of one of the grandmother. And Sajna ma'am, no, I love my grandmother very much because you know one thing, she used to tell me stories, she used to feed me, she play with me. So I love my grandmother very much. Every day, you know, I used to give a umma to my grandma. I used to give a umma to my grandma. So you all have to love your grandfather and grandmother. Right? You all will do like this because I know that you all are very good. You all are very good. So please love your grandfather and grandmother at home. Okay. Every day you used to hear the story first, right? Today I am going to say you story after introducing all these people. So in our story, there is a father, there is a mother, there is a brother, there is a sister, there is a grandfather, and there is a grandmother. Are you ready to hear the story? You have to listen carefully. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്റ്റോറി ഇഷ്ടമാണെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം. പക്ഷേ സ്റ്റോറി ശരിക്കും മനസ്സിലാകണമെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് കേൾക്കണം. ശ്രദ്ധിക്കൂലേ? ഉറപ്പല്ലേ? ഷുവർ? പ്രോമിസ്? വെരി ഗുഡ്. ഓക്കെ. One day, father brought a lamb to the home. One day, father brought a lamb to the home. Then the brother and sisters are there, no? In that house there are two children, the brother and the sister. What they did, you know? The brother ran and he came near the father and took the lamb in his hand and he told, "This is my lamb. I won't give anyone. This is my lamb. I won't give it to anyone." Then the sister came there. She told, "That is my lamb. Give me that. Please, give me. Give me." Then they two started fighting. They two started fighting for the lamb. Then mother came there. Mother told, "Oh my dear son and daughter, please don't fight with each other. Please." Then they were not ready to listen to the mother. Okay, then grandmother came there. Grandmother came there. She was saying in a feeble voice, "Makkale, tallu koodarudhu. Tallu koodunathu nalla swabhavamalla." She was saying like that. But these kids were not ready to hear that. They started fighting for the lamb. Then at that time, you know, grandfather came there. He told in a strong voice. What he told, you know? "Dear children, please don't fight with each other. It is not good. Good children never fight with each other. Good children never fight with each other. If you are good children, you will stop fighting. If you are good children, you will stop fighting." Suddenly what happened, you know? The brother and sister stopped fighting. They told everybody, "Sorry, we are really sorry. We won't fight again with each other." So, do you like this story? Okay, children, I want to say one thing to you. You should never fight with your brother and sister and nobody else. We should not fight with anyone. And always what we have to do is, if we got something, we should share with others. If we got something, we should share. What is sharing? Look, I am having a lamp. And she also need that lamp. Then what we will do? I will share with her. Okay? I will share with her this lamp. Okay? This is my request. You should always share the things whatever you got. Right? You all like this story? I know when you are coming to Marcus Preschool, you will be so happy to see your teachers as well as your friends, and we can come and enjoy. Okay? Just I will send you a song for watching. You have to watch that song till next week. And next week also, Sajna ma'am will come for you and learn properly. And you have to say all these 6 words to me. Are you ready? Father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister. Sorry, 2 more we have learned today, no? Grandfather and grandmother. Are you ready? Okay, thank you. See you. Bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Sing with me! Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Sing with me! Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do.